Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to add Robinhood widget on iOS 14. Before you begin, it's important to know that Robinhood widgets require iOS 16 or later. If your iPhone is still running iOS 14, these widgets won't be available. You'll need to update your device to a supported version of iOS if your iPhone is eligible. Now let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS that supports Robinhood widgets. Next, update the Robinhood app to the latest version from the App Store. Go to your iPhone's home screen. Press and hold on any empty area until the apps begin to jiggle. Now tap the plus icon in the top corner. In the widget search bar, type Robinhood. Select the Robinhood widget. Choose the widget size you want. The portfolio widget is available in small and medium sizes and shows the overall value of your portfolio. The holdings and list widgets are available in medium and large sizes. By default, they display your holdings, but you can change them to a custom watch list or another list you follow. Tap Add Widget. Now drag the widget to your preferred location on the home screen. Tap Done to save your changes. If you want to customize the holdings or lists widget, press and hold the widget. Tap Edit Widget. Under Source, choose the holdings list or watch list you want the widget to display. You can tap the widget at any time to quickly open the Robinhood app and view more details about your investments. That's how you can add and customize a Robinhood widget. If you're using iOS 14, you'll first need to update to iOS 16 or later, since Robinhood widgets aren't supported on iOS 14. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.